Hey, what is going on, everyone? Guess what? You get another video today, even though I made one yesterday on a Sunday. Guess what? You get one on Mondays too now. So we're going to get right into this video because I got a lot of stuff to do today, but I wanted you guys to see what the heck's going on. And by that I mean what's going on with Ken Griffin. How many times can one guy get sued in 1 year? Well, I can't answer that for you, but maybe you could ask Ken Griffin, because he seems to be like a popular candidate for like receiving lawsuits or being the target of lawsuits, right? So he got sued again, and this time he responds to the lawsuit. Well, he doesn't respond. He does, but he doesn't. But this article that I'm about to read to you guys is like, his little goons that are writing this article. So in the headline, it's like saying, hey, screw the other guy that's suing me. Like, this is ridiculous and stupid. And then, they're trying to basically act like Citadel, Ken Griffin. They're trying to act, that's what I mean when I say they're trying to act like, hey, this is nothing, like these guys are idiots. But hey, when you got so many of them trying to sue you, I mean, are they the idiots or are you? Like, what the heck, man? You're a bully, you're bullying other people. Like, you need to stop, Ken Griffin, or we're gonna stop you. So anyhow, hey, since I got to get right into this and do it real fast, check this out. So the headline reads, billionaire Ken Griffin Citadel Securities denies ridiculous, that word ridiculous, claim that it tanked Do Kwon's Terraform. Now, I don't know what in the heck that is, man. I just happened to catch this article, and I just thought I'd share it with you guys. It says, Citadel said the claims by Terraform was filed to deflect attention from its alleged charges. Billionaire Ken Griffin's trading firm, Citadel Securities, denied a claim from Terraform Labs that it was behind the collapse of the algorithmic stablecoin Terra USD in May of last year. Earlier this year, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, charged Terraform Labs and its co-founder and former CEO Do Kwon with fraud, selling unregistered securities, selling unregistered security-based swaps, and other related claims. Federal prosecutors in New York also charged Do Kwon with fraud hours after he was arrested by police in Montenegro. Citadel said in a court filing on Thursday that Terraform's claim that Citadel was behind its collapse is being used to deflect attention from its own charges. To deflect attention from these allegations and likely the crimes yet to be discovered. Terraform uses a motion to compel to pursue a ridiculous conspiracy theory exposing the purportedly hidden role of Citadel Securities in its self-imposed disaster, the firm said. And by the firm, of course, we're talking about Citadel. Shit-adel. Not only is the time period of the request irrelevant, but the theory is baseless, Citadel added. The filing comes after Terraform filed a motion earlier this month alleging Citadel was behind the collapse, citing social media posts. However, Citadel said the social media sources of Terraform's claims, including an account of pseudonymous user Gigantic Rebirth, who said Griffin divulged his plans to depeg UST over nice bacon rib lunch, is absurd on its face. The Terra Network and Do Kwon rose to the highest tier of the crypto world thanks to big shot investors, only to fall apart within a few days in May 2022. On May 7th, the price of then $18 billion algorithmic stablecoin UST, which is supposed to maintain a $1 peg, started to wobble and fell to 35 cents on May 9th. Its companion token, Luna, which was meant to stabilize the UST's price, fell from $80 to a few cents by May 12th. The collapse sent a shockwave throughout the crypto sector, eventually leading to a prolonged crypto winter. Citadel said it only engaged in 2 test transactions involving UST, with a collective value of roughly 13 cents, noting that Terraform is aware that the hedge fund could not and did not play the role it suggested in its motion to compel. So we did like some test runs. Ken Griffin said it like, the value of them was 13 cents and we collapsed the whole company. Because Terraform has no good faith basis for its request, the court should should reject its effort to abuse the discovery process and provide sanctions as it deems appropriate, the hedge fund titan said. Terra might have to pay for lost earnings and reasonable attorney's fees if the court imposes a sanction, Citadel added. So let me ask you this, though. If Citadel has nothing to hide, then why in the heck is it, opposed to providing, like, the information that was requested in the discovery there? I mean, I just don't get it. I mean, is it standard practice to do so? No. Like, I mean, it may be, but, like, what the hell do you have to hide, Ken Griffin? Come on, dude. Like, seriously, stop it. Guys, that's all the article had for us today. I mean, I don't know what the conclusion of this is all going to be, but it's certainly going to be very exciting to follow along with, because I get excited every single time that somebody sues Ken Griffin, that somebody sues Citadel, that somebody sues Citadel Securities. So we're just going to have to stick around and see what happens, and I will most certainly keep reporting on this. Stick around with this channel. I got a black cat in the background in case you didn't see it. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and smash that thumbs up button so that I can keep delivering this information to you guys. See you tomorrow on Tuesday, and hope you have a great day filled with fun, and hope you're safe too.